To use the copy function, after logging in, select the Quick Copy option on the menu screen. After selecting this option, you will be redirected to the device's native application. Before you can begin configuring your file, place the document in the automatic document feeder or on the scanner glass. Let's return to the copy screen. On this screen, you can set the parameters for your file, such as whether the copy is single or double-sided, and many other parameters. The number of functions, and this screen will differ depending on the device. To start, press the Start button.